time to wash your hairbrushes. Simply mix hot water, baking soda, and white vinegar and let them soak for 15 minutes. Or if you are hairy like me and you pluck your own eyebrows, try using brow razor.
Why don't I look like that?
Oh my gosh! Did you see her post? 50k likes already.
Oh my god, she's basically famous now.
Look.
Wow. Let's go. Bye-bye, Fiona. Bye, Fiona.
Am I ugly?
Hey guys, today I'm trying the viral diet that helps you lose weight.
Fiona, what happened? Your grade decreases.
Are you okay? Yes. I'm just taking a break from trying to be perfect. Well, about that, I think I have someone to introduce to you I've been watching. I think it will help you. This is her. I think you should watch her.
Ako yung living proof na kahit may acne ka, pwede ka pa rin mag-makeup. Huwag niyong pakinggan yung ibang tao. Kung gusto niyo mag-makeup ka. Kung yun ang magpapakonfident sa'yo, go mo lang. Kaya ngayon papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ako mag-makeup as a person na may acne ever since sa pinanganak ako. Bless. So most importantly, skin prep. I'm going to use this Dalba Vita Toning Capsule Cream. Pwede naman kayo gumamit ng any moisturizer na meron kayo. Lately lang ito yung ginagamit ko kasi talagang kahit may pimple ka di ba yung pimple may
I think I don't need to be perfect.